Hello. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. In this tutorial, I look a little different because after I did my makeup, I went and changed. I fucking threw a beanie on and changed my shirt because my hair is greasy and and it's raining today. Wah. So I recently went to an Urban Decay event and it was their launch party for their Naked Cherry line. They just came out with their new Naked Cherry line, and at this event they hooked it up with this cute PR package. This big ass cherry is a PR package. And inside this PR package was their Naked Cherry line. So they gave me the new Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette, which has so many beautiful colors, all obviously following the Naked Cherry theme. They also gave me the Naked Cherry highlight and blush palette. It comes with 2 highlighters and a blush. This PR package also had 3 lipsticks. I know this is only 2, I can count, but I lost the 3rd one. These colors are so pretty. The one that I lost is like a shade in the middle of these 2. Like it's like it's a lighter shade than this, but darker than this. It's like a maroon shade. But anyways, the ones that I do have left, because I don't know how I lost that one, but it's somewhere in my room and I can't find it. But anyways, this one is just like a dark burgundy color, and then this one is like a nude. I believe these are all, this one's a cream lipstick, but this one is metallicized. It's actually the one that I have on my lips right now. And then the other one that I lost is also metallicized, I believe. It's like a metallicized maroon color. Very pretty. And I wish I didn't lose it, but I did. They also gave me 2 glide-on eye pencils, a maroon looking one called Love Drug, and then a black one called Black Market. I believe these both have a little bit of glitter or shimmer in them. Last but not least, they gave me an all-nighter setting spray. If you know, you know, this is the best freaking setting spray ever, and this one is even cooler because it's cherry scented, so I love that. So this event that I went to was so cool. I'll scoot over so I could put a couple like videos and pictures here of the event as I'm explaining it. So anyways, I brought my baby daddy as my date. Brought my baby daddy to an Urban Decay event. No, we are not together, but we are still friends. So I brought him as my date because I didn't have a date, so I was like, you're gonna be my date today. And he came with me. He's never been to a makeup event at all, and I've never been to an Urban Decay event, so it was an experience for both of us. This is us here on the Urban Decay cherry carpet. And then we walked in, and the first thing that I noticed was the tattoo parlor that they had there. This event has a freaking tattoo shop, and we're about to get tattooed, right? What are we getting? Cherry. A cherry. They had like a little makeshift tattoo parlor for this event. They hired a few tattoo artists to give out free tattoos to everyone who attended the event. So of course, me and my baby dad participated. I made him. But we both have a lot of tattoos already, so I was like, what the hell, why not? Let's just add to the collection. We both got matching cherries. He got his on his chest, and I got mine on my ankle. Let me see your nipple. Yeah! We got matching tattoos. So cute. Love it. So cute. Just a good, fun way to make this a memory, I guess. Also, at this event, they had like a little pizza stand so you can get your own pizza. We also got a Levi jacket. They were giving away free Levi's jackets, which were really cool. We both got one, and we got ours embroidered because they had different options. You can either get it, I think, painted, airbrushed, you can get patches on it, you could also get it embroidered. So we both got our daughter's name embroidered on our jacket, as you can see right here. And it was just a really fun event. Very well put together, and the coolest part was that friggin' Snoop Dogg was the DJ there. He played some of his classic hits, so that was fun, even though I didn't get to see him because I was getting my tattoo done while he was performing. I saw him a little bit after. Here's a clip of that. thankful that I got invited to this event, and I'm glad I got to participate in something so fun and cool. And thank you, Urban Decay, for inviting me and for hooking it up with these products, because they're super good. They're what I have on my face right now. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right in. I've already done my eyebrows, I've primed my eyelids, and I stuck these little stickers on. These are honestly like the best tool in makeup. Like, using tape or whatever, it just helps so much. It's such a good tip, and I don't know why I don't do this more often. But anyways, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see what we're doing today. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Naked Cherry palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here called Bing. I'm going to be using the brush that came with the palette. I'm going to take this fluffier side right here, and I'm just going to start by dragging this shade along my lash line. This is going to be like a smoky wing, so just smoke it out, girl. I really want to be careful though, because I want to keep this closer to my lash line. I don't want to be taking this all over my lid. So I'm just kind of packing it on and blending at the same time, as well as dragging this out along the tape. It doesn't have to be perfect, because once we take the tape off, it's gonna be perfect. I'm just packing and blending at the same time. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here called Feels. And I'm using my Morphe E30 brush, and I'm just gonna really lightly smoke out the rest of my lid using this lighter pink shade. I just want kind of a gradient effect. I want it to get darker as it goes closer to my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade right here called Privacy, and I'm gonna take a denser little eyeshadow brush. This one is from Pink Dust Cosmetics. So I'm gonna deepen this wing that we got going on. I'm gonna start by packing the shadow on, but I really want to keep this super close to my lash line because we are trying to achieve that gradient effect. So it's important that I keep this super close to my lashes. I'm also going to be focusing this shade closer to the outer V of my eye. I'm not going to take it too far into my inner corner, just on the outer V. And to make this a little bit more dramatic, I'm going to add a little bit of this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Black Market, and I'm just going to create the tiniest little line right where the wing would be, and a little bit onto the outer corner of my eye along my lash line. And using an angled brush with a little bit more of that dark brown shade, I'm going to just go over this very lightly, kind of smudging it at the same time. Okay, now this is the fun part. It looks a little crazy because this tape is on there and it's messy, but as soon as we take the tape off, bam, it's just like this perfect line. Okay, so I do have a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up that fallout, and then we'll come right back. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes as well as did my face makeup, so we can move on. To finish up this eye look, I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market, the same one we used on the top. And I'm just going to apply this super close to my lower lash line. I'm going to make a super thin line. I don't want this to be thick at all. I'm also going to put this in my waterline. And then I'm going to take the brush from the palette and I'm going to use this pencil brush end, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to smudge this liner out. I'm going to take this darker brown shade again called Privacy, and using the same brush that I used to apply it earlier on my upper lash line, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I want this to be super smoky because this is a dramatic look. Okay, I'm also going to take my angled brush and that same dark eyeshadow, and I'm just going to drag the shadow on my lower lash line up a little bit to meet this wing on my upper lash line. And this is a smoky eye, so it doesn't have to be perfect because we want it to be smoky anyways. Ooh, I thought this was a spider. I picked up my brush and this little thing was on it, this eyelash. I thought it was a freaking spider. I almost screamed. So my eye's pretty much done. I have smoked out my lower lash line now. And before I zoom you guys out and finish this eye, I'm going to apply some highlight to my brow bone area and my inner corner. I'm going to be using the Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. And for my highlight today, I'm going to be taking this one right here. It's the lighter highlighter. So I'm going to apply this using my Morphe E30 brush. And I'm just going to apply this right up here underneath my brow. It's a really pretty highlighter. It kind of has like a pink shift to it. I'm also going to put this into the inner corner of my eye as well. Okay, so after I highlighted my brow bone and my inner corner, I went ahead and put on some mascara also and some lip liner. So we're going to finish the face right now and I'm going to zoom you out. Okay, so to finish the face, I'm going to apply some highlighter and blush using the Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush Palette. For my face highlighter, I'm going to use this gold toned highlighter here and my Anastasia A23 highlighting brush. Urban Decay always has the best highlighters. Let's see. Ooh! Yeah, their highlighters are always so fucking bomb. So I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face. Can't forget to highlight my big ass forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. So fucking pretty. Damn girl, I am glowing. Okay, and then after I highlight, I like to apply my blush. So I'm going to take this blush right here in the center of the palette and my Real Techniques tapered blush brush. And I always smile when I do my blush. I want to hit the apples of my cheeks and then I kind of just drag it out a little bit. This blush is a little on the darker side, so gotta be careful. Less is more. You can always build. You can add, but you can't subtract. I love blush because it makes me look alive. It like makes my face look flushed. But I also don't want to look like a doll with like round blush spots. So I have to be very careful when I apply. And then whatever's left on my brush, I always take on my chin. And then a little on my nose too. Just to kind of give me like a sun-kissed look. As well as like a little on my forehead. Want to give my face some color. To complete this look, we're going to apply some lipstick. Because I have a darker eye look today, I like to keep my lips on the lighter side. So for my lipstick, I'm going to take this one from the Naked Cherry collection. And this one's in the shade Juicy. It's a metallicized lipstick. Super pretty. It's like a nude, but it has some glitter in it. I have used it before. It's very pretty. It kind of has like a pink shift glitter. Very pretty on the lips. And we can't forget to set this beautiful look. So to set my look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray from the Naked Cherry collection. This one freaking smells like cherry. I've used it before. The All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay is my favorite setting spray. It literally works so freaking good. Your makeup will last all night when you use it. So that is it for this look right here. I obviously changed. I put a beanie on because my hair was just freaking disgusting. And it's raining outside, so it goes. But anyways, I had fun playing with these products. I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, don't forget to turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when I post something new. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!